Get ready to welcome some extraordinary new companions into your home. From the miniature dragon to the healing harp and more, we've got you covered. Are you ready to be amazed? You won't want to miss this. Number 5. The miniature dragon. The miniature dragon is said to have originated from a hidden underground cave, which was discovered by a team of cave explorers. This small domesticated dragon, popular as a household pet, has a small scaly body and a pair of wings that allow it to fly short distances. It has a playful and mischievous personality that can be trained to perform a variety of tricks. Number 4. The fire finch. The fire finch is said to have originated from a secret volcano known only to a select few ancient tribes. It has a small, brightly colored body, and its feathers can generate small flames. While the fire from its feathers is said to have healing properties being used by tribes for centuries as traditional medicine, it's a playful pet that needs a special diet. Its diet includes small pieces of wood and other flammable materials to maintain its flame. Number 3. The healing harp. The healing harp is said to have originated from a secluded valley in the mountains. It was discovered by a team of monks on a spiritual retreat. This small, mammal-like animal can produce soothing and healing music from its harp-shaped tail. Its soft fur is said to have a calming effect, and petting it is believed to lower stress and anxiety levels. Number 2. The sparkle pup. The sparkle pup is said to have originated from a far-off planet, which a team of intergalactic explorers discovered. It has a small, fluffy body covered in sparkling, iridescent fur. This energetic, playful special pup loves to play fetch and chase after small objects. It feeds mainly on tiny, sparkling crystals and can be trained to perform a variety of tricks. Number 1. The solar-powered pup. The solar-powered pup is a genetically engineered creature developed by a team of scientists in the future as a solution for sustainable energy in households. It can generate energy from sunlight by being exposed to sunlight regularly using specialized cells in its skin. It was also designed to have a playful and energetic personality, making it a perfect companion for humans. So these 5 pets are the ultimate dream team for any pet lover. With the solar-powered pup, you'll never have to worry about power outages again. With the healing harp, your stress levels will be lower than a snake's belly. The fire finch will add some spark to your life, while the sparkle pup will light up your home. And the miniature dragon, well, he will bring some fire to your belly. These pets may not exist yet, but one can dream, right?